There are three solutions to every problem. Accept it, change it, or leave it. If you can't accept it, change it. If you can't change it, leave it. Life is too short to be spent in frustration over things that can't be altered. Acceptance brings peace, change brings growth, and leaving brings freedom. Each choice is powerful in its own way, guiding you toward a path of clarity and resolution. The key is knowing which solution fits the situation and having the courage to act accordingly.